As a 57-year-old cancer survivor, this is my go-to green juice recipe. It has parsley, mint leaves, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and green apples. All of the good stuff. Now, as someone who is super busy but also very health conscious, the AUTO10 Plus has been a complete game changer. I'm able to toss in whole apples, whole lemons, as well as my cucumbers. I just have to slice them once and toss them into the juicer, which saves me so much time. And with that hopper extension, I'm able to get all my produce for this recipe in one load. And this recipe yields about 22 ounces of juice, which is more than enough to get my day started. All right, well, you know what to do. You know what I'm about to do. I'm about to get my juice on.